using a application called Cycle Last Used Tabs, or CLUT, C-L-U-T, in Google Chrome. So up here, I've got a component which is called Cycle Last Used Tabs. Now you notice that I clicked that and then I changed tabs. That tab is here in the middle, and the other tab that I was on is over here on the left. Now I've also got a hotkey on the keyboard set up, and you can change those in settings. However, you go Alt, or I select Alt W, and I flick between the pages. Now ordinarily it would just be the last one that I visited, so cycle last used tabs. For example, if I was on a website over here and I need to input information from that website into this online platform, online form, whatever it happens to be, I can flick between the tabs very quickly, very similar to an Alt tab, which would take you between windows on different areas of your computer, but this one takes you to different tabs within the same Google Chrome browser. Thank you very much.